Desmond, what are you?
A human.
A human. What is Chit?
It's not a human.
Chit's not a human?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about humans. What are humans afraid of? Or what are afraid of humans?
Mummies.
Mummies are afraid of humans? What else?
Bats.
Bats.
Don't take a picture.
I'm not taking a picture, baby.
I just play with my cars.
Okay.
Kill a lava human.
Yep.
Kill lava.
There's Delilah. Delilah.